Hello, everyone. My name is Linda, and I am a representative of Latvia Travel, which is the National Tourism Board, and it is also a part of the Investment and Development Agency of Latvia. So, some key information about Latvia is that our capital is Riga. We are a part of the European Union and NATO since 2004. Our currency is also euros. Population-wise, we are quite small with only approximately 2 million inhabitants. We have four seasons where the highest temperature can get up to 86 degrees Fahrenheit and the lowest temperature to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, but that is not very often. So here on the map, you can see all of the available flights to get to our capital, Riga. So we are less than 3 hours away from all the major capitals of Europe. We are very well connected with direct flights. So coming from faraway markets, we are still easily reachable with different connections. So this is our capital, Riga. It is the biggest city in the Baltics, and thanks to good accessibility, the competitive hotel offers, and being the perfect size, Riga is an excellent alternative to the classic European destinations that many people have already experienced. Our charming old town is also a part of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. And to get the real feel for the place, we usually recommend people to walk by foot, as that is the best way to explore the old town and the capital, of course. And one of the architectural styles Latvia is best known for is Art Nouveau. And Riga alone is home to over 800 buildings built in this iconic Art Nouveau style. So when you are in Riga, make sure to look up a lot because that is where all of the beauty lies in the buildings. And Riga also is rich of cultural life. Besides the many theaters and concert halls, it is home to also our National Opera and Ballet Theater. We also have excellent museums, art galleries, and also a place to experience the top quality food. And speaking of food, food plays a big role in our culture. We always like to make sure our guests are well fed, and most offer a farm to table specialities as well. And Riga's gastronomy scene alone has managed to surprise more than a few gourmet travelers, and has we have actually gained a reputation as being a foodie destination. So for your clients who are seeking a unique experience, they can try out also some cooking master classes with famous Latvian chefs, where they can pick out the fresh ingredients themselves in the market and then start cooking it in the restaurant, three chefs. And Latvia is also a part of the Michelin Guide for 3 years now, and not only in the capital but also the regions. So if your clients want to explore more outside of Riga, then of course the good restaurants will also be there. You can try out also our medieval experiences, such as tasting the national food and pairing it together with the national drink, which is the Riga Black Balsam. Here I wanted to show you a picture of how Latvia and the capital looks like during the autumn season. So not only summer or winter is the time to come to Latvia, but also the autumn season is the perfect time to come visit us and see this beauty for yourself. So now I will take you on a short tour around Latvia. And just 30 minutes away from Riga is the city of Jūrmala. It is a magnificent seaside resort with everything your clients need to unwind: sandy beaches, pine trees, fresh air, of course. So for extended wellness holidays, Jurmala Beach Resort is very well established. It has 4 and 5 star facilities in a beautiful seaside setting, and Jurmala has actually been a beloved seaside resort for over 200 years now. And Jurmala is also home to expressive wooden architecture, so make sure to take a walk around the beautiful resort city to see these beautiful buildings as well. And here in this resort city, everyone will find what is the best for them, whether you treat your clients to a day at a luxury spa. You can feature treatments that are infused with amber. There's mineral rich mud from local sources, or just arrange quality time with family. So basically, everyone who comes to this resort city will find something to do. You can also set up a golf session at the exclusive Jurmala Golf Club and Hotel, complete with a personal coach and sunset cocktails on a terrace. Golfing is very popular now in Latvia. A lot of local people are also now getting into this sport, so of course the golf courses are also made of good quality. You can also do some adventure parks with the family. Or, for example, plan a unique bog showing adventure in the Great Kemeri Bog, followed by a gourmet picnic in nature. So, now I will tell you a bit more about the four regions of Latvia. Situated in Kurzem region, there is a 217 miles long border with the Baltic Sea. So the highlights in this region include the picturesque Jurkalne, seashore buffs, and Cape Kolka. This is a unique place where the Baltic Sea collides together with the Gulf of Riga, and you can arrange for your clients a private sailing excursion along the Baltic Sea with a stop at this Cape Kolka to witness the meeting of the two seas. And we have a really great sailing infrastructure, especially in this region. And in contrast to the green forests, Kurzem region has the most colorful traditional dresses, as you can see in the picture. And here you can see that the same colors can also be found in local traditional cuisine for this region. And also, they can be proud of having more than 200 lakes and small rivers. So, combined with the Baltic Sea, this region is what we call fisherman's paradise. And one of the cities that is in this region is Liepāja. It will also be the European Capital of Culture in 2027, so make sure to come also during this year, as there will be a lot of events going around this beautiful city. This concert hall is made to represent the amber stone that is exclusively found within the Baltic Sea region. And our local people likes to call Liepāja the summer capital of Latvia. They also have beautiful white sandy beaches. So yeah, come and enjoy. Next one is the town of Kuldīga. This town has also been included in the UNESCO World Heritage List in 2023, and this is the only town in the world that fully reflects the traditional Baltic architecture, merging Latvian and German traditions. And we like to say that Kuldīga is a fairy tale-like city, perfect for romantic getaways. So one of the biggest assets they have is that they also have the widest waterfall in Europe. So you can see it's not very high up, but it's quite wide. So situated in the southern Latvia, there is the region of Zemgale, and we like to call this region our bread barn of Latvia. And here you can also get the chance to spot majestic storks, which is the birds that Latvians hold very sacred. And here in this region, you can also find this beautiful Rundala Palace. It was built in the 18th century and is one of the region's most finest examples of the Baroque and Rococo architecture. And I think it is on the must-see list. And it also includes rose garden with approximately 2,000 rose varieties. So during the summer season, all of the gardens they bloom with roses. And everywhere you go in Latvia, you will see at least one castle, one palace, one manor house. We do have a lot of them, and they are each different from one another. So make sure to stop and take a look around when traveling in Latvia. And now we have arrived in the region of Latgale. This is what we call the land of the Blue Lakes, and it is also what we like to call off the beaten path tourism destination, as they also have this cultural venues, manners, different architectural wonders, and very nice activities for cycling, long distance hiking, and all the maps, sorry, all the little dots that you see on the map are the lakes. And here you can see some of them. So deep lakes, shallow lakes, lakes with islands, lakes without the islands. There's a bunch of lakes here in this region. And the second largest city in Latvia is Daugavpils, and it was also the first mentioned in history in the 13th century. And this fortress that you see in the picture is also the last standing fortress like this in Europe, so it's also a historical monument. There are different art centers. One of them is Mark Rothko. He is an American-based but Latvian-born artist, and in Daugavpils he has his largest art gallery. And finally, we arrive in the northern Latvia, which is the region of Vidzeme. It is home not only to the oldest and largest national park of Latvia, but also the area of historical sites and cities buzzing with life and different events. So, Latvia is a very green country. More than 50% of Latvia's territory is covered by forests, making it one of the Europe's greenest countries. In this region, you can also find the oldest and largest national park of Latvia. So, for your clients, you can book a luxury glamping experience in the house in the heart of the Gauja National Park. You can pair it together with hikes and gourmet campfire meals, for example. So the town of Sigulda is just 1 hour away from Riga, the capital, and it is best known for the medieval castle and historical sites, also very outstanding landscapes. And the city is usually buzzing with life and different events. So there's a different range of events happening all the time, and a lot of active outdoor adventures as well. And Sigulda is known to be called the Little Switzerland of Latvia because of its dramatic forested hills. And Latvia's beverage scene is actually equally diverse. We offer everything from craft beers to unique fruit wines. So the fruit and berry wines are made from rhubarb, cherries, raspberries, quince. So all of the ingredients that you find in Latvia. We also have ciders. They are made from, of course, locally grown apples. Then we have birch and maple sap drinks. They are harvested in spring, and they are very nutrient-rich beverages. And of course, we have our own teas and different infusions. So those are based on ancient Latvian knowledge, and they act as therapy, basically. So, forest trails are very well kept in Latvia, and they have also been highly valued by the Lonely Planet, as you can see here, together with the other Baltic countries. So, for something completely different, there's some unique activities in the Gauja National Park. You can do bungee jumping, you can learn how to fly or do a bobsleigh track. There are different workshops that you can do to immerse yourself in the culture of Latvia. Our bathhouse rituals, of course, or the Midsummer Festival, the same as the Song and Dance Festival that happens every 4 years. Um, and some manors and palaces, they are now They now act as boutique hotels. So if your clients don't want to stay in a regular hotel, then they can, of course, stay in these manor houses and palaces and enjoy the peace and quiet of being outside of the city. And then there's, of course, the Christmas market. So in December, Riga becomes a real winter wonderland. And it is very cozy, not too overcrowded, with a lot of local offerings. So if your clients are interested in Christmas markets, make sure to put Riga also on your list. And here's also some insights into some different winter activities, for example, horseback riding, cold plunge, hiking, Christmas markets, of course. And lastly, I would like to invite you to sign up for our newsletter. But otherwise, you are very welcome to write to me at the second email, which is linda.karklina@lia.gov.lv, and I will help you out with any materials, information you need. So, thank you.